Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 172. In consequence of the short space of time at our own disposal, and having regard to all the circumstances under which the order was given, we are at a loss to understand the reason for the delay in the delivery of the machine, which ought to have been here for a week ago. Full stop. We shall expect to receive it in a few days without fail. Full stop. We are face to face with a difficulty which appears to have been in a great measure and to a great extent brought about by those who ought to have known better, and we shall be glad if you will look into the matter for us, notwithstanding the fact that you are so busy yourself. Full stop. The enclosed statement gives you our position in reference to the difficulty, and we shall be glad to have your expression of opinion on the matter at an early date. Full stop.